Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some PR to share with you. I was contacted by Nail Reserve. It's a gel polish company and they're out of Los Angeles, California, to see if I wanted to review some products for them on my channel. And I said, but of course. And they let me pick what I got, so let's just hop right on into it. I got the base. And then I also got the No Wipe top coat. They have clear on the tops. As well as 5 colors. This is Ambrosia. Very pretty. And then we have Mountain Walk. Sisters Before Misters. Got a little bit of shimmer in there. And then Sugar Magnolia. And then the last one is called Warm Glow. Beautiful. Now, these polishes are vegan, non-free, cruelty-free products. And I will have a link for them down below. This is a soak-off gel polish that you will need to cure under a UV LED lamp. So let me get my stuff together and I'm going to swatch these all. So let's get to it. Okay, so today my nails are still pretty short, so I will be doing these swatches on some Painted Desert Extra Small Oval Quick Gel Tips. I will also be using the base and gel coat that came with these nail polishes, and I'll be gluing them down with some of those little, sticky glue tabs. So just wanted to throw that out there first and foremost. Also wanted to tell you that looking on their website, they do have a sale running right now. I'm not going to mention the specifics because it could change between today when I'm recording and when my video publishes. So I do want you to go check out their stuff and see what, kind of deals they have. They've got a VIP program, and if you're in that, you get a discount. And then you can get other discounts just by buying from them. So I will have a link for them down below. Let's get going. Alright, so I got my little nail tips on a nail wheel, and we're going to put the base coat on. It's a very nice consistency, not too thick, not too thin. And I've already done the other 4 nails, so we're just going to do 1 nail of each color. I'm not going to show the base coat on all of them. I just wanted to share that with you real quick. I'm going to pop this into the lamp for 60 seconds and then we're going to head on to a color. Yay! I forgot to mention that these are 15 ml bottles or 0.5 fluid ounces. So very nice size bottles, and we're going to get started with this first one here, and this is Ambrosia. And I love this. It's not white, it's like a creamy color, and you'll be able to use it with all sorts of nail art. And you guys know on my channel we do a bunch of nail art. So let's get this first coat on it. It's got a really nice formula, and I want you to see how it's leveling out very nicely. After you let it sit for a minute, it levels out. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we'll be back for a second coat. Alright, here we go with our second coat of Ambrosia. And now that I'm getting the second coat on, it's looking a little more peach. Like a super light peach. Very pretty though. Get some of this excess polish off that brush. You guys know that typically I do regular nail polish, and gel polish is a different animal. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then we'll do our top coat. Alrighty, here we go with our No Wipe top coat. And just like with the base coat, it's got a really, really nice formula. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Of course, I'm being a little stingy with it, so there we go. Don't be stingy. Oh, that's going to be so pretty for some dressed up, dolled up manis. Alright, so let's pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to see what they look like on my fingertips. Alrighty, I got my little glue tab on, and we're just going to plop this nail right on. And if I wanted to wear these for like a whole day or something, or a couple of days or a week or whatever, I would definitely do them down with like gel or something. But I just wanted to show them I've got 4 more polishes to share today, so I figured using the glue on method would work really nice. So there is what they look like. How pretty. Beautiful color. Alrighty, so we're going to get our swatch photo of this one and then head on to the next color. Alrighty, here we go. This one is Mountain Walk. Oh, I love that. That is such a good winter color. Of course, I could see me wearing it in the summer too, doing like, you know, ocean and beach manicures. Oh, yes. It's kind of like a jelly finish to it. But it's very opaque for one coat. Popping it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, here is our second coat. We're going to do our second coat of Mountain Walk. I love that it's still blue. I mean, it doesn't look black. It looks just like a really dark blue. And the formula's been great on these. Leveling out and going on smooth. Alright, another 60 seconds under the lamp. Here we go. We're going to put this Mountain Walk nail on. Mush it down. Like I said before, if you're wearing these, you need to really push down. And there is Mountain Walk. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Alrighty, here we go with our first coat of Sisters Before Misters. Really, it's like a cranberry color with a really strong pinky purpley shift in it. I mean, oh yes. That is so pretty with some gold stamped over it. Oh, that would just be stunning. Oh yeah, really liking that. Alright, we're going to cure that for 1 minute. Alrighty, here we go with our second coat of Sisters Before Misters. And that second coat just really brings this one to perfect opacity for me. Very pretty. I know I'm overworking it. That's what I do. Alrighty, look at that. So pretty. 60 more seconds. I'm going to top coat it and 60-second it and then put it on my fingertips. Alrighty, here we go with Sisters Before Misters. Alright. Look how pretty. Oh, I love that. Alright, let's get a swatch photo and head on to polish number 4. Alrighty, here we go with our first coat of Sugar Magnolia. And this one's a little thicker than the other ones have been, but it's still got a good formula. It's leveling out. I don't feel like it's a problem child or anything. Just trying to go back over it and make sure I get it thin, because with gel polish you definitely want to go with thinner coats than thick coats. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, here we go with our second coat of Sugar Magnolia. Oh, so pretty. I just love colors like this. So, so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to put a top coat on it and cure it, and I'm going to come back and show you what they look like on my fingers. Alrighty, so we are finishing up with Sugar Magnolia. So pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's almost like the mannequin hands for me. Love it, love it. Let's get a swatch photo and move on to the last polish. Alrighty, we're on our last polish from Nail Reserve, and this one is called Warm Glow. Now, it is a glitter bomb. I'm just going to let you know. And it's a lot thicker than the other ones that I've used, but I believe that's on purpose because it's got so much in it. And if they would have thinned it out any, it would have probably just turned into a topper, where this is going to be a full nail coverage on this one. Alright, so we've got that all painted on. We're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Alrighty, here we go with our last coat of, this one's called Warm Glow. And it is thick, y'all. I'm not making that up. And I don't know if it's intentionally supposed to be that thick or not. I'm going to say probably so, to hold in all that goodness. So I'm going to do a little bit of manipulating with the brush to make sure that I get it kind of smooth. Well, alrighty, we're going to pop that in the lamp, cure it. I'm going to top coat it, and then show you what it looks like on. Okay, here we go. We're going to put this last one on. And again, this is the Warm Glow. It's kind of like a Christmassy version of the China Glaze polish. I can't remember what it was called. But anyway, I love it because it's like a really funky dark green, but it's got that gold in it. Oh, so pretty. Alright, I'm going to get my swatch photo, and then we're going to sign off here for today. And I will have a link for Nail Reserve Los Angeles down below in the description box. You can go check that out. Like I said, they have sales. It looks like they have sales all the time. So pretty much hop on in there and get what you want. And I want to thank them for sending me these to review and share with you all. And that'll be it for me today after the swatch photo. So I will talk to y'all in the next one.